guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how quick you can create fantasy image in Adobe Photoshop CC. It will be very quick tutorial. I will be using images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe Stock. You can use any images you like. Also, I will be using 3D objects I downloaded from pixelsquid.com. So guys, let's start. As you can see, I have opened Adobe Photoshop CC, and here I have opened my Creative Cloud library with all images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe Stock. Double click on the image I would like to work with, and voila. I will zoom it out, and voila guys, I'm ready to rock and roll. Now I would like to add my first 3D object I would like to work with today. In Pixel Squid library, I have very beautiful boat. I will click on it, and voila, I will rotate it just like that. And using the move tool, I will scale it down, and I will reposition it, maybe something like that, and I will reposition it. Perfect, just like that. Perfect, maybe something like that. And I will click OK to accept all changes. I don't want to have any shadow with my 3D object, but I would love to have my 3D object in high resolution. So I will switch from low to high. Now I will highlight my background layer. Using rectangle marquee tool, selection tool, I will select the area under my boat, edit, copy, select, deselect. Now I will highlight my boat layer. I will select the boat just like that, and edit, paste special, paste into. In my layers panel, I will switch blend mode from normal to multiply, just like that, and I will bring down opacity of this layer, maybe more, just like that. Yes, I love it. Now I will merge my top two layers, and voila. Now I will click add new, and I will click on another 3D object I would like to work with. This beautiful baby bear. Just like that. I will rotate it just like that. And using the move tool, I will resize it. I will make it smaller, and I will reposition it just like that. Maybe I will make it smaller, just like this. Perfect. I will click OK to accept all changes. Perfect. Maybe a little bit down. Perfect. Now guys, I don't want to have shadow because anyways the shadow will be not visible, but I would like to have my 3D bear in high resolution. So I will switch again from low to high, and I would like to reposition my bear layer. I would like to bring this layer under my boat, and voila guys, look at this. Now I will hide my background layer, and I will merge visible layers, and I will rename this layer to layer number 1. I will duplicate this layer, and I will rename copy of layer number 1 to layer number 2. I will highlight my layer number 1, and I will bring it down. I will flip it just like that, but as you can see, I flipped in the wrong way. So what I will do, I will go to first of all, I need to accept it. Now I will go to transform and flip horizontal just like that, and voila. Let me zoom in my image for better preview. I will close my library, Creative Cloud library panel, for better preview for you guys. And what I will do, using my move tool, I will reposition it. I will make it smaller, and I will rotate it just like that. Let's see if I'm right. I'm right. How beautiful is it? I will click OK to accept all changes. I will zoom out my image for better preview for you guys. Just like that. Now guys, I will bring down opacity of my reflection layer, just like this. Yes, guys, if I would like to have a photographically correct image, I will add a lot of shadows under my bold layer and everything like that. But we are working on fantasy image. I would like to bring splash of fantasy. So something like that, and I love it a lot. Now, guys, I'm ready to merge all our layers. Maybe I will bring a reflection layer, opacity of my reflection layer down more, just like that. Yes, perfect. Now I will merge all visible layers, guys. I will duplicate this layer and I will go to filter, camera raw filter. What I would like to do, I would like to increase contrast, just like that. Look at this. And maybe I will bring down exposure. Guys, look, I'm just moving one slider exposure and look at this. How beautiful is it? And I'm ready to click OK. This is before camera raw. This is after. Guys, huge change. But I'm not done yet. I will duplicate this layer just to show to you before and after later on. And now, guys, we have two choices. We can add more warm effect. So I will go to adjustments. I will click on a color lookup and I will click on a crisp warm dot look. Look at this, guys. Because we applied adjustment layer as a separate layer, adjustment as a separate layer, I can bring down opacity of this layer, just like that. So now we have warmer effect. We can say it's a sunrise, more a warmer effect, more summery effect. Let me hide this warm filter adjustment layer. I will go to back to adjustment, color lookup, and I will click on moonlight adjustment, just like this, guys. And because we applied adjustment as a separate layer, I can bring down opacity of this layer as well, just like this, guys. And now we have kind of evening sunset effect. Guys, look at this. We have two different images basically. Let me clarify. If I will bring back warmer adjustment layer, we have sunrise. If I will bring back a cooler moonlight adjustment layer, we will have more evening, more sunrise, sunset effect. So guys, it's up to you. I will go with sunset effect, and I will merge, I will delete warmer adjustment, and I will merge down, just like that. Let me show to you before and after, just like that. Guys, what I will do, I will duplicate this layer. I will go to camera raw filter one more time. I will increase exposure just slightly. I will increase contrast. I will increase highlights and a little bit shadows, and I will click OK. And this is before and this is after. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. Guys, very quick tutorial, but I would say very effective tutorial. And again, guys, if you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Super appreciate your time, guys. Thank you very much for being with me. And if you like my tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys very much, and I will see you very, very, very soon. Bye, guys.